When I say bananas, you say peppers. And today we're going to be doing a very belated monthly favorites for the month of June. I almost said for the month of July. We're not done with that month yet. I feel like we've got a lot, even though they all pretty much conveniently fit inside of this Sephora bag. Actually, you know what? My first monthly favorite came from you guys. Literally, you guys. One of you guys sent this to me for Project Blue Book. It is a vintage blue fanny pack, and I have been loving this so much. No, I've been saying this for so long that it is redundant and ridiculous, but I've really taken it super seriously over the past couple of months, like May and June. I've really been working on my fitness every single day. So Dogman and I will take long walks. We'll end up like walking to the park, stuff like that. We kind of need like keys, driver's license, all of the important stuff. And so just being able to still be hands-free while I'm power walking and exercising, but to have like everything I need on me is so great. On to some beauty products. Now, this is like a rediscovery for me. I actually did a does this thing really work on this product maybe 2 years ago now, but I kind of used it for that video a couple times after that, and then I just shoved it in a drawer and forgot about it, and I recently rediscovered it like 2 months ago. You can buy them on Amazon. They're not exceptionally cheap, but I feel like it's so worth it. So this is the Volume. I got the Volume Petite, but I do think that there is a full-size Volume. I don't really think it makes that much of a difference. Looks like this really weird, like a bunch of boxes on either plate. What this does is adds a ton of volume to your hair in like less than 10 minutes. So just go through and press the hair like this. Like, I feel like it's a lot less heat damaging to your hair than like crimping or curling or anything else you might do to get a lot of volume. You're only supposed to do it on the roots, but I kind of do it like all the way down some strands of my hair because I do like a more like crimped look. So this is like a little bit of a demi crimp. But if you're somebody you like a lot of volume and a little bit of a crimpy texture, but without damaging your hair as much, then like I 10 out of 10 recommend this bad boy because it does indeed really work. Two more hair items. Another extreme hair favorite is called Down and Out, and it is literally called Dirty Spray. This is actually one of my favorite like hair product companies. It's called IGK. I get it from Sephora. This product reminds me of my all-time favorite hairspray, which was unfortunately discontinued, but The Balm, you guys know, like the makeup company, The Balm. For a little while, they were making hair products as well, like hairsprays, dry shampoos, all kinds of stuff like that. I'm not sure why they discontinued it, but they used to have this hairspray that I swear not only like kept your style in place, but also, you know, this is gonna sound disgusting, but it was like kind of chunky. Like it would disperse like particles into your hair. So it was almost like a dry shampoo slash hairspray. This reminds me a lot of that. So I have really been using these two items together. I add like texture and volume here, and then I go back through and just like kind of spray this at a distance. Once again, like add volume, texture, and to also just make my hair look a little bit dirty. Like this, I just washed my hair yesterday and it looks kind of dirty. I love the look of dirty, but I don't love the feeling of dirty. So I feel like if you're kind of weird like that, this is gonna be for you as well. And then, since I do love spraying so much weird stuff in my hair, that dry shampoo, hairspray, the whole 9 yards, I go to this product, which is from another brand that I really like, which is called R&Co. And I am pretty sure I got this product from Ulta. This is called Acid Wash ACV. I don't know what that means, but it's called ACV Cleansing Rinse. And it's literally like a liquid. It's not like a cream or a shampoo. So hopefully you guys can kind of see the liquid sloshing around in there. I'm almost out and I've only had this for like the last 2 months. You just like use this little squirt nozzle and dispense the product directly on your scalp, rub it in, and it really seems to strip product out and give you a really good clean feeling, but without damaging your hair. I don't use this every time I wash my hair, but I want to say I do this about once a week, and I feel like it really helps to reduce buildup. Up next, something simple, something to make you smell nice. I love this Moschino fragrance. This is Toy 2. I think it was actually in my last Sephora haul. I bought this along with like the second Moschino Sephora collab. This is their second Moschino fragrance. I think that the original one was called Moschino Toy. It actually came in like a plush bear, and then this is seemingly the much less limited edition second Moschino fragrance called Toy 2. I cannot even describe how good it smells. The only downfall about this product is I think it is online only, so you can't like smell it for yourself or get a sample or anything in store to find out if you really like it, but it has like a very nice, like the top note that I'm smelling is like apple, really fresh. It is kind of on the sweet side, but I want to say it's almost like a fruity floral. So if that is your thing, you're gonna love it. It reminds me of my great aunt. I don't know why, but when I smell this perfume, it just like reminds me of her. Next, we have like, in fact, I think 4 freaking Huda products. I feel like this past month was like the month of Huda Beauty. I just really tried a lot of new products from that brand that I loved. This one is dirty, but I'm wearing it today. I actually tested it in a makeup video that I just filmed not that long ago, but like, do you guys ever try something and it's just like an instant favorite, and then every time you do your makeup subsequent, you just keep reaching for the same thing because it's so good? I have 2 products in here that are like that. This is the Tan Tour. So it's like a tan contour. You guys will see in the makeup video, but it looks a lot deeper than it actually is. This is the fair shade. They have, I think, fair through deep. I think they have 5 or 6 different shades for every skin tone, but it is so easy to apply, so smooth. I feel like it blends out really flawlessly. I kind of feel like I went in a little heavy-handedly with the contouring today, but I also really love how my makeup turned out. To talk about more products that are on my face today, we have this neon palette. So Huda Beauty recently came out with 3 neon palettes, pink, green, and I think the other one might be purple. I think that this pink one is my absolute favorite. I love pink and purple eyeshadows, specifically purple. I feel like I kind of wanted to go more towards pink today, but it just ended up being more purple. This literally has colors for everybody. I feel like neon is kind of the trend this year, or this summer at least. So a lot of them look super neon in the pan, but when you apply them, they're a little bit more of a pastel. You've got some shimmers, like these shimmer shades. I cannot even begin to describe to you how gorgeous and shimmery they are. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see. I have filmed a couple of videos today under these lights, so one of them was like a fashion try-on haul, so I feel like I was like sweating. I had a whole different hairstyle when I started first filming today, and now I look, oh my god, I just ripped my hair out. And now I look like this. It's that dirty spray. It does kind of make your hair like a little bit more tangly. Just FYI, especially if you overdo it. I think I kind of overdid it today, but that's another story for another day. But anyway, I am wearing mostly all this palette today. A little bit of the ColourPop all purple monochromatic eyeshadow palette as well. I don't 100% remember what that one's called. As a matter of fact, it's not I don't 100% remember. I don't at all remember what that palette is called. It's the purple monochromatic one. So actually, I really highly recommend that palette and this one. Next Huda product is actually the setting spray. And once again, I feel like this is just like a different kind of setting spray. It is good, it feels good, and it really preserves the hell out of your makeup, especially if you live somewhere like I do and it's blazing hot and there's a lot of humidity. I feel it's almost like a thicker, almost like kind of hairspray consistency, but it works so amazingly. So I guess what I'm saying is this almost feels like it's like creating a barrier on your face. It smells good, and I feel like whenever I apply this, my makeup does stay looking more fresh. I feel like the foundation that I'm using today is separating on me just a little bit here and like where I'm like super expressive, but overall I feel like it really has preserved my eye makeup and stuff really well, and I like it. Up next is one of her Power, I think it's called Power powder mattes. This is in the shade Staycation. Let me put this back on. I did like a freakish lip combo deal where I used like a Kylie lip liner, this lipstick, and one of the new Jeffree liquid lippies in the shade Yes Ma'am that he just launched with the Jawbreaker collection. I feel like the lighting in here is kind of weird. They feel so good. It's not quite a matte. Like, it's not going to be super drying on your lips, but it's not like a full-on cream lipstick either where you have to worry about it like getting all over your teeth and everything. So it just kind of hovers in between like completely being matte and not. And I think that's why it's called like a powder or something, because it does, like, even in the tube, it looks like it has like kind of a powdery texture to it, but I really like it and it feels so good on my mouth. We have two mascaras. First one is Damn Girl. It is the new Too Faced mascara, and it's made with melted wax, but it's supposed to be like a fresh tube of mascara each time. I love the formula. Only thing that maybe I would change is the brush, because it is just a little bit thick. So maybe I'm just not a cautious enough person, because I feel like I constantly do have to do a little bit of cleanup, but it makes my lashes look so amazing. I feel like it stays on for a million hours through all sorts of activities. It looks really good and it feels really good. Like some mascaras are like really irritating to my eyes. So I do feel like this is the full package. I just love that kind of like wax consistency to it. So this one too, huge thumbs up from me. And then the other one that was like the other product I was telling you guys I used and it became like an instantaneous favorite is this new Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. So Bad Gal Bang has been around for a few years, I think. I really love that mascara. It's another mascara formula that I really do love. And see what I'm saying? Like, this wand is a little bit easier for me to use because it is quite a bit thinner, but they recently just came out with this brand new blue color. I'm wearing it today, and this is just something I love doing, is like using a different colored mascara, like a bright vibrant color, like a pink, purple, blue, something like that, and then layering like black false eyelashes over it. I feel like if I'm doing like a really colorful makeup look like I have on today, I feel like if I use like a blue or a purple or something, it really accentuates the makeup look, but I can still like make everything look really voluminous by using false lashes. And this, it looks really amazing worn alone as well. It is so vibrant. It definitely has to be one of the most vibrant colored mascaras on the market. It feels really good. And once again, I feel like Damn Girl, it's just like a really good, long-lasting, good feeling mascara all over. I love these two. If you need a basic black, go with Damn Girl. If you're wanting to try something more colorful and daring, get Bad Gal Bang, or you can get this one in black too. It's up to you. Highlighter that I absolutely love, which we actually did that video on this channel where I unboxed an entire box of indie brand cosmetics, and we opened up Bombshell Cosmetica. So this is their loose highlighter. It's called Cherrylicious, and this is my favorite shade. It's called Cherry Pie, and I am wearing it today. I feel like it's really, really pretty. I don't know how I can show it to you guys without just dumping it all over the floor, but it is like in a fine shaker sort of dispenser, but I love everything about it. I feel like it's really gorgeous. I like it. I don't know, it's something new. It's good to try indie brands. Two more makeup favorites. One is kind of like a tool thing, and one is an actual product. I love this primer from Milk Makeup. It's called the Hydro Grip Primer, and First of all, I love the packaging. It's so simple, but it just looks so cool in there. Translucent lime, jello green, but definitely the word grip is in here for a reason. Like, it almost does have a little bit of a tack to it when you apply it, but I feel like it really makes your foundation. And I've tried it with several different types of foundations, like liquid, spray on with Dior Flash, and stick foundation as well. Kind of the only one I haven't tried with it is a powder foundation, but I have absolutely loved it for everything. And I really do feel like it just makes your foundation and your powders and concealers like really just adhere to your face just a little bit better. Last makeup product are these cute new Wet n Wild brushes. They literally just recently last month debuted this new Pac-Man collaboration, and I am here for it. So the bristles are black and neon yellow, and then I hope you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it has all of this confetti in the handles, which I know several brands have done that now, but I love it. It's so pretty, it's so cute. So it has a bunch of different colored confettis in here, and then it has the yellow, like gold confettis are actually little Pac-Man shaped confettis. They're so cute. I wish they would have made more brushes like this, but they do only make these two, this larger powder dome brush and a smaller kind of like eye blender shading brush. Last couple of things are 2 pairs of glasses. You guys always want to know where I get my fun glasses from that I usually use to film with on this channel. Oh my gosh, I just noticed they are both hearts. So this is like a lemonade heart, and then these are the ones I wear all the time. They kind of have a little bit of a blue tint to them. I'm not sure if they actually do filter out like UV light or anything. Oh my gosh, UV 400 protection. I don't know what that means, but it sounds helpful. I feel like I wear these all the time. So cute. I get 9/10 of all of my fun glasses like this from Yes Style, and I feel like I talk about them quite a bit. I love that website. It's where I get all my K Beauty and J Beauty products from, but they have tons of cute little accessories, handbags. I just actually filmed an unboxing, like a haul for my main channel, so you guys will be seeing that very soon. But they have a lot of cute like other things, not just beauty products. My last and most ridiculous favorite is this keychain, which I bought from a website called Scents, and they sell a bunch of designer things. This is like a designer item. And literally I showed my parents and they're like, are you like, what happened to your brain? But it's just so cool. It is actually like an aluminum can. An aluminum can. It's Raf Simons. I think that's how you pronounce that designer's name. But I just absolutely love it. And I'll tell you one thing. Ever since I attached this to my keys, I surely haven't lost them. They are loud and they are huge. Those are all my monthly favorites. This video was so long. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers Squad today. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified every time I upload a new video to this channel. Till I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all again really, really soon.